Hi everybody, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have something a little bit different. This is a 2012 BMW M3 Convertible with the V8 engine in it. It's got the wide body kit, aftermarket wheels, nice gorgeous interior, beautiful exterior factory paint, 3-owner car, clean auto check report. Let me walk around this car and show you guys. Very cool power convertible top. It does look like a coupe when you put the top up. Carbon fiber wing in the back. As you can see, the dual exhaust. Just a beautiful stance on this BMW. I mean, this thing is nice. We mostly do classic muscle cars here, but when I saw this car and the quality of work that was done to it, and obviously the price, this is something that I wanted here at MGM. It does have an automatic 7-speed transmission, and like I said earlier, V8 engine. I'm gonna have the thing wet sand buffed out. It's gonna look like a piece of glass when I'm done with it. Let me fire it up. I want you guys to check it out. It is a push button. Really nice interior. 37,206 miles.
And I made the declaration.
Nav, all power options. Put the top up. I want you guys to check it out with that as well. It is all automatic. It's right here. As you can see how it operates. Really super cool. Like 15 seconds the thing is up. Look how cool that is. Locks right into place. Just, I mean, wow. Love it. In my opinion, if you do tinted windows on this thing, it would look sick. In my opinion. But there you have it, guys, gals. 2012 BMW M3 with 37,000 documented miles through Autocheck. V8 power convertible, automatic 7-speed transmission with the V8 motor in it. Super clean. Available here at mgmclassiccars.com. Check us out. Go to the website and check out all the photos on this little Beamer and over 100 classics, other classics as well in our building. We're located here in Addison, Illinois. We do offer delivery. So if you want to take our delivery quote, we can give you one through text message or a phone call. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 40 minutes from Midway Airport. If you guys wanted to fly in and then drive this bad boy home, not a problem, we can do so. We've got a lot of different banks available for funding, for financing as well with good credit. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. You guys can call me, text me anytime. If I don't answer, please leave a message and somebody will get back to you. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel at MGM Classic Cars. And if you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it amongst your friends, guys. Again, 2012 BMW M3 Convertible, V8 power, 7-speed automatic trans, automatic convertible top, beautiful stance with the wide body kit and the aftermarket wheels. Located here at mgmclassiccars.com. Guys, gals, thank you for taking your time out and spending it with me here. Talk to you guys very soon. See ya.